everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Sharon, and today we'll be doing a project overview of Tattwa Life Bliss, which is located near Bharat Mata Chowk, Mushi, Pune, and is developed by Tattwa Landmarks. In this video, we'll be discussing about the following points: project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before even getting into the project details, first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform which connects home buyers directly to the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लो तो आपका नंबर शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, पर हाउसी पर आप डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स के साथ कनेक्ट करते हो क्योंकि आपको यहाँ लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं। तो इसी के साथ यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़ दीजिए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स विद हाउसी। तो चलिए अभी बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में विद द हेल्प ऑफ 3D मॉडल। सो Tattwa 24 Life Bliss will be constructed on 0.72 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower with 2 basement plus ground plus 17 floors having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK premium residencies. तो चलिए अभी बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग एंड कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में। तो आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं मैं प्रोजेक्ट लोकेशन पर खड़ी हूँ और इसी के ठीक बगल में मेरे ठीक पीछे है इसका सेल्स ऑफिस और इसके ठीक सामने है प्रोजेक्ट का लैंड पार्सल। एंड कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड नियर हेक्सा टावर्स मूशी पुणे विथ कनेक्टिविटी MIT आलंदी कैंपस within 2.9 kilometers, Reliance Smart within 3.9 kilometers and DMart Dehu within 4.2 kilometers. Now coming to the amenities part, with the help of 3D model, this project has luxurious amenities with multi-purpose lawn, kids play area, buffet deck, stage with feature wall, jogging track, toddlers play and many more. So coming to the carpet area, Tattwa 24 Life Bliss project has 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK premium residencies with 2 BHK starting from 726 square feet, 2.5 BHK starting from 824 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 915 square feet carpet area. Let's now discuss the booking process. Booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will guide you through the complete project and will show you the 3D model. Along with that, they will take you through the pricings and the payment schemes as well. And they will lastly show you the actual project location, and then if the client likes the project, then we can go ahead with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Tattwa 24 Life Bliss located near Bharat Mata Chowk, Mushi, Pune and developed by Tattwa Landmarks. And अगर आपने इस लोकेशन पे और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड आल्सो फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.